All right, we've done a grow rack from Home Depot. We got this little shelving system from Home Depot and using it as our grow rack. And this year, we want to expand on this so that way once we get the seeds started, we can transplant them and start some new seeds. Basically, doing some succession planting. So in this video, we're going to show you how to build a grow rack for seed starting, and we're going to start right now. What's going on YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video, after watching it, you're going to learn how you could get a shelving system and turn it into your grow rack. So we got this from Home Depot. It's a 48 by 18 by 72 inches. And it comes with a five rack system, but we're probably going to use four because that gives us the good distance that we need with our grow lights, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But you can go to Home Depot and grab a rack system. You want to do, well, for us, for the lights that we have, we were looking for at least a 48-inch wide one. So that way when we put our shop lights on there, it'll be able to cover the whole distance from there. And then when we got using our trays, our seed trays that we got from Bootstrap Farmer, and these are some very durable seed trays. If y'all don't know about it, we did a review about these. I'll put the descriptions down below. But these basically able to cover two racks on both systems. We have a heat mat, and we'll talk a little bit more about that as well. But we're going to basically start using this rack system, grow rack system, as our seed starting. And then once they get into this stage, we're going to use this rack system as our hardening off and holdover. So that way when we're ready to harden them off, they'll be able to go outside a lot easier, and we can keep on doing our succession planting. So let's get growing. All right, so we're out here. We're going to start building the shelving rack system for our plants. You don't really need any tools. The only tool that you really would need is a mallet just to secure it, and we'll show you about that later. But right now we're just going to start unboxing this, separating out the equipment. Once we get that installed, we'll put some wheels on there so it'll be able to move around, and we'll install the grow lights. All right, so let's get going. All right, now we're going to install these lights. We got 4 of these lights from Walmart. They're roughly around $21, $22. And they're good lights because they're daylight for one, and they're 5,000 lumens. So that gives you a nice simulation of day sunlight. So we got 4 of these. They come with a chain link, so that way we can hang them onto our racks, the bottom portion of our racks. They're LED shop lights, pull strings, and everything. And the only thing we have used these for about a year and a half now. And the only thing I've had a problem with these, and I'll show you when installing these, that you're going to need either some pliers or some needle nose pliers, because the hooks, if you move them around when you're trying to lower and raise them, sometimes they get dropped down in there. But we're going to pinch these off, and so that way I kind of decrease the chances of them getting it out. Then we have to use a magnet to fish it out. But we're going to unbox these and show you how to do one of these, and then we'll install the rest of them. Oh, so they got smarter, and this one already came with the thing. So we're gonna hook that right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That easy. All right. Alright, so we got this all set up. Like I said, it was real easy. Next step, all we got to do now is put these down and connect them to a surge protector. Now, you could put these on the timer if you want to when you're transplanting your seedlings. You want to grow, have it under these lights anywhere from 8 to 12 hours, and that way it just keeps it nice and thriving. And you want to put it about 2 inches above the plant. We'll show you how to do that here shortly. Now we're just going to plug this up and kind of go from there. If you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you like this or not, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got these all transplanted, got them at their good height. Now, if you don't want to buy this rack from Home Depot is about $100. If you just want to use the lights itself, it comes with all these hooks. You have these hooks that you could put into into your ceiling or to whatever like that, and it comes with some anchors and some zip ties if you don't want to go and get a rack like this. The next step, if you're doing this and doing a seedling tray system, is you would buy some warming racks, warming mats, and what that would do is help provide the heat for your seeds while they're in that darkness state of mind, and to help them germinate from there. I recommend getting a heating mat with a thermostat on there and a probe that you put into the soil, so that way, and you can set the temperature on there. And I normally set ours about anywhere from 75 to 85, and what the mat would do is, the warming mat would do is help make sure your seedlings hit that temperature setting. I'll show you here. So as you can see right here, can you get up in there? Mm-hmm. So we have your thermostat, and you can set you hit the set button. There we go. That's not doing it. Okay, there you go. You got to hold it down, and then you just put your temperature that you want on there. We got 80 degrees. We'll hit set, and then it comes with this probe here, and you just stick that into your seedling trays, and will help regulate the temperature from there. So if you like these type of videos, we'll put a playlist above showing you some other DIY tips that you can help you out in your urban backyard gardening. Try to do these every so often to help us out. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload. Until the next video, let's grow together.